In this video, we will show you how to replace your mirror switch on this Honda Civic. This will be attached to the driver's side door panel. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. On the inside of the door panel, we're going to start removing this trim panel, which houses several switches. For this, I'm just using a small plastic trim tool. We'll make our way in between the trim panel and the door panel itself along this forward side here and start prying it up along the way. There we are. Now on this far side here, it does actually have one tab that protrudes inside of this area approximately this far, so we're just going to go ahead and pull that out. There's that. Now as we pull this up and out of position, we can start disconnecting our electrical connectors along the inboard side. Let's start disconnecting the window switch wiring harness. For this, you want to look for this white tab. Inside of this area, I'm using my pocket screwdriver, depressing the locking tab, and now we can start pivoting this. This entire thing should pivot and pull this out and away from the switch itself. Just a quick inspection for corrosion, of course. That looks fine. Now we'll make our way up here towards where our mirror switch is located. That has a locking tab right over here. Just go ahead and press that in as well. You can use your finger or a small pocket screwdriver. We'll pull that out of place as well. There we are. Let's get this over to the bench. Now that we have this on the bench, we can start removing our mirror switch from this area. This should be fairly simple. By removing these two Phillips head screws, we should be able to pull this up and out of place. A quick inspection of the hardware as we continue on, replace as necessary. There it is, friend. Okay, let's prepare to install that mirror switch. We're going to get this in position, aligning the mounting bolt holes. Once you do have those aligned, continue on with your two mounting bolts. We'll start them in and snug them up. Keep in mind when tightening these, you are only screwing into plastic. You do not want to cause any damage. Let's get this over to the vehicle. All right, let's go ahead and connect this in along the back side. We'll start with our window switch. That's the larger of the two connectors. Let's go ahead and press that in. Listen for a click there. Mirror switch. Audible click. Bring this around. We're going to start getting this in position. You're going to have to start with this area here, bringing it underneath the armrest. Just come in at an angle. Line it up, press it in. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.